Marley chant the words of peace, the prophet of the time. Peter Tosh the equal rights for justice in my line. Burning spear and Dennis Brown, them voice still echo loud. From Studio One to Trench Town, them lift up every crowd. Gregory come with lovers, rock and touch the art so real. Sizzla burn the fire, strong the struggle still we feel. The pioneers, the sound system, the rebel DJ voice. Them make reggae what it is, the world it have to rejoice. Welcome to the reggae zone, feel the vibe, feel the song. Roots are deep, the rhythm strong, Babylon can't bring me down. One love, one heart, unity, let it play. Jah music live forever, reggae never fade away. To the world so wide, the man bring message, the truth can't hide. Bob Marley rise, the music lead, chant to love while the people bleed.
In my little town called 9 Mile he was born. The ghetto cried, but the star was sworn. Mama said the last she knew the way. Jah bless the child for a brighter day.
In a little town called 9 Mile he was born. The ghetto cried, but the star was sworn. Mama said the last she knew the way. Jah bless the child for a brighter day.
He pick up the guitar, start to sing songs of freedom, hope it bring. From Trench Town yard to the city street, in voice lift up, make history sweet. The struggle real, but he never shake. Stand firm for the poor he wake. Them try to stop him, but the fire burn. The music strong, the tables turn. One love, one sound, one king. One love, one sound, one king. The rebel music still a sing. Truth and rights, it can't go cold. The spirit of Bob still take control.
Blind, but to make them see. Redemption song set the captives free. Them talk about war and preach about peace. Rasta vibration, it can decrease.
He chant against the Babylon chains. He sing against the wicked gains. Get up, stand up, on every stage. And words still live, it never age. Them try to silence, them try to fight, but the reggae message shines so bright. The youth, them hear, them take the stand. But Marley voice, I rule the land. One love, one sound, one king. One love, one sound, one king. The rebel music still a sing. Truth and rights, it can't go cold. The spirit of Bob still take control.
Now the fire still ablaze high. The message reach from sky to sky. Africa hear it, the youths arise. The song still strong, them never die.
Marley name live like a lion roar. The dreadlock king open every door. From Kingston streets to every shore. The world feel the love, the truth restore. Him say no woman, no cry for heal. Him say buffalo soldier fi fight for real. Him say one love fi unite the way. Him say exodus fi a brighter day. One love, one sound, one king. One love, one sound, one king. The rebel music still a sing. Truth and rights, it can't go cold. The spirit of Bob still take control.
The lion not sleeping, music strong. The revolution is still a go on. Bob Marley legacy can't erase. The music shine on every place.
One for the rebel soul, the man who never bow down nor sell him soul. Peter Tosh, a warrior strong, chanting truth for the right from wrong. On Westmoreland rise from the street. He learned the hard way but never taste the treat. Pick up the guitar, play it loud. Sing for the people, make the ghetto proud. Babylon try to hold him down. Them fear the truth when the lion sound. Speak about justice, then call it crime. But the rebel heart never bow, never mind. From the whaler to the soul away. Him walk the fire, he never stray. Them take him rights, them try to break. But the voice of Tosh, them can't shake.
Equal rights, justice for all. Equal rights, justice for all. System rise, but it still must fall. Fierce and fearless rebel sound. Beat the Tosh voice, still shake the ground.
The reggae bandit voting voice still strong. Him nah bow down, nah sing for Babylon. Shout against them dirty lies. Stand up tall with fire in him eyes. Legalize it, shake the nation. Babylon fight, but it's not a revolution. In sing but equal rights for everyone. Not care if the rich or poor, where them from. Them lock him up, them try for chain. Them take him freedom, but them can't stop the rain. The music run wild, the message loud. The rebel spirit still move the crowd.
Equal rights, justice for all. Equal rights, justice for all. The system rise, but it still must fall. Fierce and fearless rebel sound. Beat the Tosh voice, still shake the ground.
The ghetto youth still hear him call. Him words live strong, them never fall. From Africa shores to Kingston streets, him message march pon militant beats. He say get up, stand up, for every fight. Him said them a fear with voice tonight. The system tremble when him play. Him teach the youth to find them way.
Even though the wicked take him life,
Him words still cut like a rebel knife. Beat a Tosh can't fade away. Him spirit shout pon judgment day.
equal rights, justice for all. Equal rights, justice for all. The system rise, but it still must fall. Fierce and fearless rebel sound. Beat the Tosh voice, still shake the ground.
If that's how you still hear him call, the words live strong, them never fall. From Africa shores to Kingston streets, him message march on militant beats. Him say get up, stand up for every fight. Instead of my fear with voice tonight. The system tremble when him play, and teach the youths to find them way. Even though the wicked take him life, him words still cut like a rebel knife. Peter Tosh can't fade away, in spirit chant on judgment day.
From the hills of Central him rise, chanting truth with fire in him eyes. Burning spear, the voice so strong. Teach the people, make them carry on. Born in the land of the righteous flame. Winston Rodney, remember the name. From early days the truth him see. Teach the people, make them carry on. Born in the land of the righteous flame. Winston Rodney, remember the name. From early days, the truth him see. The struggle real, but the soul stay free. Man like Marcus, him show the way. Teach the youth to rise one day. From the ghetto to the mountain peak. Spear like the fire for the poor and weak. Him chant out Africa, call them home. Sing for the ones who stand alone. The spirit strong, the mission clear. Jah like the way, son of fear. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Chanting truth, bringing Jah light. Rise up warriors, hear the sound. Righteous music still shake the ground. The radio never want him play. He chant too strong, then fear the way. Babylon shake when the spear him rise. Him words cut sharp like a warrior's cries. Him sing bout suffer, a chant bout pain. Tell the ghetto youth them can't be tamed. Jah not dead, he make them see. The wicked can't stop prophecy. In the dance hall, in the streets, and give the people roots so deep. No gimmicks, no games, no sellout lie. Just Rasta truth till the day him fly. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Chanting truth, bringing Jah light. Rise up warriors, hear the sound. Righteous music still shake the ground. From From Marcus Garvey to Columbus lie, and tell the world truth, never hide. Singing about history, chanting for change. The system shake when him rearrange. Him teach the youths, the elders too. Remind the people what they must do. Stay firm, stay wise, hold your light. The road is rough, but the path is right. Even though the years roll by, burning spear voice can't ever die. The fire blaze in every song. The warrior's mission still live on. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Burning spear, the fire still bright. Chanting truth, bringing your light. Rise up warriors, hear the sound. Righteous music still shake the ground. Now your bingy drums and can't cool. Righteous music forever rule. Burning spear, the legend strong. In chant for justice, the fight go on.
Forget what you're the worst stage. Toots and the Maytals, the foundation base. For the ska, for the reggae, for the rock steady flow. This are the sound every reggae man know. Born in Jamaica, Clarendon side. Toots bring the fire, the soul and the vibe. Singing in church, the voice so strong. In feel the rhythm and find him song. In the early days, the ska run wild. Toots and the Maytals shake up the style. From 5th to 46, the message spread. Rebel music, the sound never dead. In the word called reggae. A brand new sound, make them dance and sway. From the dance hall to the street parade. Toots bring the light, the music never fade. Toots and the Maytals, fire still burn. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Reggae music, the devil's turn. From start to rock steady, hear the song. The roots of the music still shake the ground. They knock him up but him rise again. The chains can't stop the voice of men. Monkey man still a rock the throne. Everywhere Toots go, the world bow down. System fight but him still stand tall. Reggae music rise, can't ever fall. Him tour the world, spread the love. Sing for the people, blessed from above. Pressure drop come, but him still a fight. The music shine bright like your light. Toots voice roar like a lion strong. From Kingston Street to Babylon. Toots and the Maytals, fire still burn. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Reggae music, the devil's turn. From ska to rock steady, hear the song. The roots of the music still shake the ground. Years go by but the vibes stay true. The youths them chant, the elders too. Funky Kingston make the people groove. Toots melody make the world move. From the granny stage to the reggae hall. We never live on, it's spirit call. The real foundation, the one who teach. The voice of reggae, the song so sweet. Even though the years roll by, Toots' voice can't ever die. The music plays in every song. The pioneers' work still live on. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Reggae music, the devil's turn. From ska to rock steady, hear the song. The roots of the music still shake the ground. People encouraging the ground. Sweet man, funny gunshot, trouble, so get the flow. Toots and the Maytals, reggae true king. You give away the style and give away the swing. Reggae music still strong, can't done. In legacy live, the mission run. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Toots and the Maytals, the fire still burn. Reggae music, the devil's turn. From ska to rock steady, hear the sound. The roots of the music still shake the ground. Born in Kingston 57 time, a youth with
the dream, voice so divine. From the first time you touch the mic, Jamaica know this boy shine bright. Little Dennis just 9 years old, sing like a king, heart full of soul. Studio One called, the doors unlock. The world hear the voice, the rhythm rock. He rise up fast like a burning flame. Every sound system call him name. From the man is an island tune. In voice light up the sun and moon. Dennis Brown, the voice so true. Dennis Brown, the voice so true. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Reggae royal, the prince still reign. Music live on, can't fade away. To the world the love spread wide. Dennis a star, the nation's pride. With money in my pocket tune, they make the lovers rock real smooth. The wolf and leopards warning strong. Truth and rights in every song. In a dance all the people sway. In voice make even Babylon pray. Reggae sun splash and mash up the show. Every big tune in voice still glow. Roots and culture the fire blaze. Dennis Brown set reggae ablaze. Dennis Brown the voice so true. Dennis Brown the voice so true. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Reggae royal, the prince still reign. Music live on, can't fade away. Even though the years go by, in music play in every sky. Reggae artists calling name. The Crown Prince still rule the game. Jah blessing voice make the whole world feel the love, the passion, the message real. Every youth a sing him song. Every elder still hum along. From Kingston streets to London town, in legacy can't ever drown. The Prince of Reggae still our reign. The music strong, the fire remain. Dennis Brown, the voice so true. Dennis Brown, the voice so true. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Sing for the ghetto, sing for the youth. Reggae royal, the prince still reign. Music live on, can't fade away. Eat by the world, years of love. Jah bless the man from up above. Reggae still strong, the song can't die. The Crown Prince live on high.
Fire blaze, the mission can't stall. From Capleton to Sizzla, them stand tall. The rebel youth rise, the system fall. Real reggae warriors answer the call. From the ghetto hills, two voices rise. Sizzla Capleton wise. Lyrics like fire blaze up the land. Chant down Babylon, make them understand. Young youth with a mission so bold. Fi teach the people, fi break the mold. Babylon a vampire, Capleton said I cry from Sizzla, light up the way. The elder speech, the new ones grow. The rebel sound, never move slow. Just guide the words, the rhythm strong. From August down to the world and the long fire burn. Rebel youth stand tall. Fire burn, rebel youth stand tall. Chant for the people, Babylon fall. Sizzla and Capleton voices so high. Blaze up the truth till the day we fly. Dancehall meet reggae, the message stay pure. Sizzla chant judgment, the wicked them cure. Push shake the streets, the words them strong. Capleton come with the real fire song. From who them to solid as a rock. Them lyrics bust, them not turn back. Rebel in a dance, rebel in a show. Them lyrics I teach the youth to grow. Culture defend the spirit so brave. Freedom them chant, no bow, no slave. Them carry the torch, them light up the dark. Judge and protect them works and hard. Fire burn, rebel youth stand tall. Fire burn, rebel youth stand tall. Chant for the people, Babylon fall. Sizzla and Capleton voices so high. Blaze up the truth till the day we fry. Days gone by, but
The mission strong, still a chant truth in every song. Sizzla still rise, the ghetto youth see. Capleton still burn hypocrisy. From Africa straight to yard, the rebel sound travel, it reach abroad. The people listen, the truth them feel. The fire still burn, the message real. New warriors rise, the flame still bright. Them teach the youths the way to fight. From the gully side to the hillside view, the fireman teach the lion roar through. Fire burn, rebel youth stand tall. Fire burn, rebel youth stand tall. Chant for the people, Babylon fall. Sizzla and Capleton voices so high. Blaze up the truth till the day we fly. More fire for the righteous way. Capleton and Sizzla still rule the day. Jah bless the message, the warriors stand. Fire for Babylon, fire for the land. Till the end of time. Born in Kingston, 51 bright day. Music in him soul, so we find a way. From studio door to the big stage light, Gregory voice bring pure delight. Little youth with a dream so strong, writing first tune, start the love song. With my only lover, tune so sweet, Jamaica feel the reggae beat. In voice so smooth like silk on skin, the lovers rocking, the style begin. From the ghetto yard to the radio player, the whole world a rock same way. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Roots and romance, the vibes still reign. Gregory music can fade away. Big hits drop, the vibes explode. Night nurse mash up every road. Dance or rock, the lovers sway. Gregory voice light up the day. Not just sing about love alone. Fight for the ghetto, the poor, the throne. The ruler rise against Babylon walls. For the sufferer, him answer the calls. From England show to the Sunsplash stage, the reggae world know his name. Voice so sweet, lyrics so real. Every tune a story you feel. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Roots and romance, the vibes still reign. Gregory music can fade away. Till the end of time. Even though the ruler rest, in music lives still sound the best. Reggae lovers can't forget the voice, the style, the vibes we get. From Kingston streets to London town, every sound system playing sound. Lovers rocking the master voice. When Gregory sing, the world rejoice. New youth still chanting name. The ruler's fire still aflame. Inna the dance hall, inna the street, Gregory sound can't get defeat. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Cool ruler so smooth, so true. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Sing for the lovers, sing for the crew. Roots and romance, the vibes still reign. Gregory music can fade away. Reggae king, the rhythm still nice. Jah bless the morning, so high. The music play till the day we fly. Even though you will rest, in music lives still sound the best. Reggae lovers can't forget the voice, the style, the vibes we get. The system wicked, can't stand tall. Truth will rise, Babylon afar. Youth them march, the fire ignite. We chant for justice, we claim we right. From Trenchtown down to Ghana shore, reggae rise up, open the door. The bass a roll, the drum them tap. We chant for justice, we claim we right. From Trenchtown down to Ghana shore, reggae them strong. Every youth fi know them belong. They sing for freedom, we chant for love. Jah guide from high above. No more chains, no more lies. Reggae lift up, open we eyes. Rise up, stand tall. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Babylon crumble, it can't remain. Sound the rhythm, let it play. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. Get to you, them suffer deep. No food, no place for sleep. Politician talk but never true. Promise gold but bring with blue. The rich get richer, the poor get weak. But rebel music make we speak. Radio block it, Babylon try. But truth still rise, it can't die. I said the elders, them fight before. Now the youth them, kick down the door. The sound system, the mic ignite. One love, one fight, one truth. Rise up, stand tall. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Babylon crumble, it can't remain. Sound the rhythm, let it play. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. Reggae travel, the message spread. From Kingston Yard to Zion's Head. From Soweto down to Rio. Every ghetto feel the flow. Marcus speak, Davi rise. Truth still shine, open we eyes. The fire burn, the chains them break. The time is now, the world for wake. No retreat, we moving strong. Rebel music lead the drum. One people, one voice, one way. Uprising vibes are rule today. Rise up, stand tall. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Rise up, stand tall, we break the chain. Babylon crumble, it can't remain. Sound the rhythm, let it play. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. Rebel music like the way. We not bow, we not kneel. The people rise, the truth reveal. Reggae speak, the sound can't die. Uprising vibes will reach the sky. Reggae is life, reggae is truth. From the heartbeat of Jamaica, it spread to the youth. Rhythm strong, the people unite. Reggae's on a blaze up tonight. Reggae come from deep within you, feel it till a soul. The rhythm talk, the message walk, it keep the fire warm. Born from struggle, born from fight, the voice of ghetto youth. Jam music rise, the system shake, we're chanting out the truth. Scotty run the place before, rock steady set the way. Then reggae rise up strong and bold, it's here to always say. It tell the story, teach the past. It fight against the change, the rebels sing, the people dance. And freedom still remains. Welcome to the reggae zone, feel the vibe, feel the song. Roots are deep, the rhythm strong, Babylon can't bring me down. One love, one heart, unity, let it play. Jam music live forever, reggae never fade away.
Marley chant the words of peace, the prophet of the time. Tosh say equal rights for justice in my line. Burning spear and Dennis pound them voice still echo loud. From Studio One to Trench Town, them lift up every crowd. Gregory come with lovers, rock them, touch the art so real. Sizzla burn the fire, strong the struggle still we feel. The pioneers, the sound system, the rebel DJ voice. Them make reggae what it is, the world it offer rejoice.
Welcome to the reggae zone, feel the vibe, feel the song. Roots are deep, the rhythm strong, Babylon can't bring me down. One love, one heart, unity, let it play. Jam music live forever, reggae never fade away. Reggae starts in Jandom, but it travel around the globe. From Kingston straight to Africa, it shake the streets of Rome. It get to youths in Brazil, then scan to every beat. In a Japan, in a London, the message still repeat. Reggae is the people's song, feed it poor and feed it strong. It teach the youths to rise up high, to never do no wrong. It ban corruption, speak the truth, and stand against the hate. Reggae are the heartbeat, so let the music elevate. Welcome to the reggae zone, feel the vibe, feel the song. Roots are deep, the rhythm strong, Babylon can't bring me down. One love, one heart, unity, let it play. Young music live forever, reggae never fade away.
Reggae's more than music, it's a movement, it's the truth. The voice of the sufferer, the fire of the youth. So let the rhythm carry you, let the message lead the way. Reggae live forever, never fade away. Reggae is more than music, it's a movement, it's the truth. The voice of the sufferer, the fire of the youth. So let the rhythm carry you, let the message lead the way. Reggae live forever, never fade away.